So we're here at a cathedral today doing a reverend's car. Look at that building, people. Absolutely bloody gorgeous. We're doing his car today. Pre-MOT check, exhaust. You see, pretty rotten off. Comes off in the middle there. Pretty reliable cars, Nissans, to be fair. My only bugbears with Nissans is the electrics. Oh, and sometimes the DPF pipes the split. Causing a difference in the pressure sensor, which will cause some issues there. But I got a bit of shelter under the trees. Yeah, little 1.5, just doing a basic service. So air filter over here, pretty straightforward. A few clips, element lifts out, oil filter down there, looks nice and rusty and pain in the butt to get to. Just down there, look. And it's a square, sure it's like a 5 or 6 mil square, something like that underneath. I'll let you know in the description. But yeah, that building is huge and it's lush. It's, I think he says 1600 years old. Got bombed by Hitler back in the day. But bloody lovely. Anyway, nice fella. He looks after me, I shall look after him. So I'm gonna get it done. I'm gonna get it done nice and proper.